welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Pinterest no internet connection error even with Wi-Fi. First of all, turn on airplane mode for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. After that, we're going to restart Pinterest by swiping it off from the bottom of the screen, scroll it away and then open it. This will fix temporary glitches. Then we are going to forget your Wi-Fi and reconnect it to rule out network issues. After that, go ahead and open your app store and then search for Pinterest and make sure you have updated the app to the latest version, and that's it. Safety tip: do not connect unsafe public Wi-Fi or networks. Quick fix: switch to mobile data temporarily, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.